Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. If you have been sourcing product or you are trying to buy second-hand iPhones or any type of gadget from China and you are trying to use Xianyu Chinese shopping app, which is popularly app for shipping or buy any second-hand goods direct from China, consider to stay tuned to this video and pay proper attention to these tips and tricks I'm about to share before you can buy any second-hand iPhone from any end user on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. This is very much important if you don't want to make a costly mistake that might make you buy a very wrong product, especially if you are trying to buy iPhone second-hand from any seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a reporter and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, IDVs, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, I'm going to give you some of the tips and tricks that you need to understand before you buy any second-hand iPhone from China, from any store on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. I have a case study for this, and I'm going to assist from here because recently someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp for this particular iPhone on Xianyu Chinese shopping app, and I'm going to use it as a case study right here. So this is the contact of the person right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the product link. Okay. Now, this is the chat from the response from the store. I'm going to go ahead and click on this particular link right here. So this is the product link right here, direct from Xianyu. So if you are the type that want me also to buy your product on Xianyu or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, let me quickly show you my time of service right here. So first thing first, send your product link, send your shipping address. You can pay me in Chinese yuan or Naira into my Naira account, and at the same time, you have to provide your name and your phone number for the procurement, and the charges of 7% is attached to your procurement service, just like so. So let's proceed right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the product link, then that will take us to the exact product page. So this is the product link right here. I'm going to click on it. Just like so. Now, for every product you load through Google Chrome browser on Xianyu, you find out that it's going to automatically translate the product detail. So I'm going to zoom right here and I'll just, so take a look at the product detail right here. Okay. Now here you can see the terms of products. So this is iPhone 12 and it is Apple product, original iPhone with 128 gig, almost brand new. Now, this attach free shipping, and at the same time, then you can free shipping if the description does not match. Now, if we take a look at all the description of the product right here, special offer, iPhone 12 white, 128 gig, approximately 95% new. The exterior is very new and it is being used. Okay. Now, with a case and screen protector regularly, no scratch or dents on the frame or screen. All functions are working perfectly. Face unlock is sensitive. Photos are clear. The system is smooth and lag-free. Apple ID has been removed. It is ready to use immediately. Supports upgrades and restore. Original motherboard. Never disassembles or repair. No hidden defects. Buy with confidence, etc. You can see every sugar-coated product descriptions right here. Now take a look at the product picture right here. And I'm going to click on the product picture, then it automatically take me to the product page on Xianyu app right here. Now, on the app, we'll be able to see all the product picture. If I click on the product picture right here, you'll find out that all these products here are just fancy picture. But one thing here is that whenever you see any store listed product with different kind of product description right here, don't be carried away by the product price right here and the description. Okay, first thing first, you need to make sure you contact them before you place order, because not everything that they describe right because not everything they describe right here is actually true. Okay, now take a look at this particular product price. It's sold for 520 yuan. But one quick thing I want to show you right here, I'm going to click on here to show you our chart. Just like so. So this is my chart with the store right here. And I'm going to translate for the sake of people that does not understand this particular Chinese language right here. So you know what this particular seller trying to say right here. Now, if you are the type that does not do proper due diligence before you go, you just be carried away with the product price and the description and you place order, believe me, you just bought a very wrong product. Now, let's go ahead and translate this particular chart right here. I'm going to take a screenshot. Then I'm going to exit from here now. Then I'll open up my Chrome browser. Then I'm going to create a new tab. So I'm going to make use of the Google Lens right here. So I'm going to click on the lens. Then I will simply go ahead and upload the screenshot of our chart. Then I will just translate. Boom. And in a few seconds, it translates to English language. However, if you are watching this video and you do not understand English language, you can as well use your Google Translate or your Google Lens to translate to whatever language of your choice. Just go ahead and click on here. This will enable you to choose from different numerous language right here. So in this tutorial, I'm translating to English to go back right here. Now, this is my message to the seller. Hello, my friend. Do you sell this product in your store? I would like to place order now. Now, this is the response right here. Does it require a SIM card? Listed price is for Wi-Fi phone. Suitable as a backup phone for taking photo, playing games, and watch videos. If a SIM card is not needed, it is perfect as a backup phone. You can imagine what they listed and you can imagine what they want to offer. Okay, now this is my response right there. I need the one that supported SIM card, and this is where the seller cut off the chart. Okay, now if you are the type that does not do proper due diligence, you do not contact the seller and you just go ahead by carried away with the product price of 520 yuan, which is ridiculously cheap compared to the value of iPhone 12 as at the now of making this video. Believe me, you just buy a very wrong phone, because once you buy this phone, they will definitely deliver, but deliver not exactly what you expect, because you can see this is not a fully functional phone. You can only use this phone to take picture, playing games, and watch videos, and because it does not support SIM card. So if you are buying any iPhone, make sure you do your proper due diligence so that you don't buy a very wrong phone, because not every iPhone are SIM card supported. And as a result of that, if you are so much carried away by the price, the picture, and the product description, you are likely to fall for this type of problem on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. Take a look at the descriptions right here, and then you find out that it is a perfect buy. And then if you look at the price right here, you find out that it's very cheap, but make sure you always contact them before you go ahead and make a purchase on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. This is what I have for you as far as important things you need to take into consideration before you buy any second-hand phone, or whether iPhone or Android phone or any type of gadget direct from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to buy cheap products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.